Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the radio's model and power requirements so you match voltage and current. This prevents damage. Next, locate the main harness. Identify the 12V supply, accessory lead, ground, and speaker outputs. Once done, route the antenna and test cable length. Make sure connectors align. Connect the ground first, then the constant 12V, then switched accessory power. Keep motions deliberate. This reduces wire stress and makes later troubleshooting simpler. You now focus on secure connections. Strip 5 to 7 millimeters of insulation, then crimp or solder each joint, and cover with heat shrink tubing for insulation. Match speaker wires by color and impedance to avoid phase errors. Incorrect pairing yields weak bass or cancellation. Connect the antenna lead and briefly power the unit to confirm signal and speaker output. If reception is weak, reposition the antenna or check the coax for damage. Small fixes here save hours. You finish by mounting the radio, ensuring no wires are pinched and all fasteners are snug. Use zip ties to prevent movement. Power the unit and run a full function check. Presets, radio tuning, AUX input, Bluetooth pairing, and speaker balance. Once satisfied, reinstall trim and test drive for vibration checks. If the radio won't power, stop and measure the 12V and accessory lines at the harness with a multimeter. Inspect the inline fuse and verify a solid ground connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.